Division 9. Yeah, 363. Bilis ano? 2.84 seconds. Yeah, Division 363. 3 cups, 6 cups, and 3 cups.
Picture pa lang.
Mapansin, ano? Yung ating mga guests, meron mga cups. Depends po yun. Meron tayong cycle. Ayan, ang preliminaries. 8.33 seconds. Wow. Division 9. Again, ladies and gentlemen, our winner for this tournament.
High scale.
Kaya po siyang trip to Texas, USA. Imagine, right? Texas, USA for the World Championship on April 16 to 17, 2011. Siyempre, kailangan visa tayo. Siyempre, diba? Para kasi kung may makakasok tayo sa tournament na ito. Okay, our preliminaries in Division 10 at 363. Congratulations. 2.55. Mamaya, tignan natin, oh. Ang ating Division 10, 363. Congratulations. 4.16. Yeah, 11.19. Depends on the time. Cycle preliminaries, Division 10. Practicing, may practice pa para siguro na mas mabilis tayong mag-stop ng ating speed stacking. Okay, for our individuals, Division 11, 333 preliminaries.
Leg.
2.40. Makikita mo pa kayo. Bilis naman. Sabi nga, so that's why we are presenting this to some schools. And actually, all the schools to have this sport to be included in their PE. Yeah, because actually this sport, meron mga benefits sa ating body, sa ating brain, with our eyes and hands. Focus. Yeah, actually, if you have focus, tataas yung mga brains sa mga kids.
Sayang.
At syempre, magiging proud yung mga parents para sa kanilang mga kids. So, Division 12, 333 preliminaries. Congratulations, kids! Okay. Job well done. And we have our Division 12, 363, or 3 cups, 6 cups, and 4 cups. Yan, ito yung mga pyramid na ginagawa nila. So, we're inviting everybody to witness this event in order for your kids to know more about this sport. Yan ating Division 12, the cycle preliminaries. Siyempre ating magdomo, you may now go to your respective table desk in order for your partner. Yan ang maglaro po sa ating mga respective desk, depends on your age. Siyempre, meron tayo ng 19 years old and above. Meron tayong 11 years old, depends on the table. It depends on your age. Thank you very much for being part of the history of this year's tournament. Here in our WSSA Philippines 2011 National Sports Stocking Tournament. Thank you very much. And of course, our coaches and sa ating mga schools who are believing in this sport. Thank you.
Ilang picture kinuha?
Ito na natin